Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube videos. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's enhance your video's click-through rate with an eye-catching thumbnail. First things first, sign into your YouTube studio. Navigate to youtube.com and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu to access your dashboard. Once you're in the studio, find the Content tab on the left sidebar. Here you'll see all your uploaded videos. Choose the video you want to add a thumbnail to by clicking on its title or the Details button. In the Video Details page, look for the Thumbnail section. YouTube automatically generates a few thumbnail options based on your video, but for a custom touch, click the Upload Thumbnail button. Choose a file from your computer that's eye-catching and relevant to your video content. After uploading your thumbnail, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top right corner. It's crucial to ensure your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a thumbnail to your YouTube video. Remember, an engaging thumbnail can significantly impact your video's performance, so choose wisely. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.